Today, we're going to build the bat symbol using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
I thought it would be fun to do a 3-dimensional bat symbol. And now, one of the reasons I'm doing this is because by the end of the year, my goal is to have 24 micro bat builds for a Batman Advent calendar, because I think that'd be kind of fun. So for our bat symbol, we're going to start with a black Travis brick. And the big hole in the bottom is going to be the bottom of our bat symbol. On the top, we're going to grab one of these 1x1 tiles with clip on top for the ears of our bat. And we're just going to put that right on so our ears are on the left and right of our bat symbol or Travis brick here. And now we need to bring these out for the wings. And to bring them out for the wings, we're going to grab a 1x1 plate piece and just put that on both sides, both the left and the right of our Travis brick here, to kind of extend the wings of our bat or bat symbol that we're creating. Now the next step is to get these slope pieces, and this is going to give the effect of the winged effect of the bat. And to do that, you want to put it so that the fat end is on top near the wings and it slopes down, and that's going to create the wings of Batman's bat symbol. So we do that to both sides, you can kind of see the bat symbol taking shape. And now you could stop here, but I don't like that hole in the front stud. So what I'm doing is I'm going to grab one of these 1x1 plates with a tooth on it and put it so it goes on top of that front stud and goes down to kind of create the tip of our bat symbol like this. Now, you could do that on the back, but I'm not going to, because I like having that stud there, because that allows you to put this bat symbol on to something, so you can use it for decorations, but you also have this hole underneath where you can kind of also stand it up. So however you want to use this bat symbol. But there's a very simple build to build our Bat Advent calendar, hopefully.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.